Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare bread banana sticks. Yes, it's very simple, easy and also very healthy and yummy and tasty. You just need only two simple ingredients, that is bread and banana. It's crunchy and crispy on the outer side and creamy on the inner side. It's truly very yummy and heaven when you just give the first bite. So why late? Let us start. So here I have taken two ripe bananas. So I have taken two. It depends on the quantity you take. Okay. So peel the bananas and then put it aside. Now take the banana and then start chopping it into small pieces. See, as I have done here, you to do the same. Remember to cut into small pieces only. So repeat for the second one also, and then take breads and start slicing the edges as I have done here. I have taken 10 breads over here. Again, it depends on the quantity you take. So cut all the slices and put the bread slices also aside. And now take the slice of bread and then start rolling it with the help of the rolling pin. As you do for chapati, the same way, do horizontally and vertically till your bread slice turns into a tissue paper like this. See, so thin and light like this. Now on the other hand, take a pan and add butter and then add all the chopped bananas into it and start smashing it with the help of the spatula, and after 3 minutes this will be the consistency. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is optional. I added because kids love to have it more sweetness, right? So it's optional only. If you want, you can add it. Now again stir it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the butter from the banana, it oozes out. You can observe it. Now this is the time you switch off the flame and take it into a bowl. Now take the bread slice and add 3/4 spoon of the banana puree into it and then start spreading out on the banana slice and then start rolling it. Do not overload or do not fill the banana puree much because it will ooze out and come out. So you just check this out. Now again seal the edges with the banana puree itself. See, as I have done here. So seal it, even the sides also like this, and cover it or close it with the banana puree only. Yes, like this. And then with the help of a fork, you just press it hard just for 30 seconds and that will be closed. Yes, like this. Turn it over and then repeat the same process. So you have to do this for all the slices as I have shown here. So I've taken 10 bread slices. So this is it. This is like a chocolate pocket. So now again add some oil. And then this is for shallow fry, so I just added 7 tablespoons of oil. That is enough. See, the bread also, it will be very crunchy. See, after 1.5 minutes, if you flip it over, this will be like this. And again after 1 minute, you just take it into a plate with the tissue paper so that excess oil will be absorbed. That's it. Now it's ready to serve. Serve this hot only so that you can enjoy that crunchiness and also that creaminess. So everybody will love this. This is very easy. You can just serve it as a breakfast also. So this is very healthy and also yet tasty. So everybody will love this. So let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.